Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are going out because it's a beautiful day. Have a look at my little family. Aww. Come on honey, you want to say hi? Hi, come here. Oh, this way, come here. That's right. Come on, say hi. Just say hi.
Come on.
Say hi daddy.
Hey, come on.
So yeah guys, I'm gonna go get my nails done. And yeah. Say hi, look. Yeah. We'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so we're now in South Melbourne. And this is my before nails, guys. See how much it's grown since the last time. But yeah, I'm gonna go in now. Dada will take Paris for a walk, and then Mimi and I will get our nails done. So yeah, we'll see you all guys later. Bye. We're here now, guys. Hello, honey. Hello. My off shoulder si Tata. So Dada's just carrying Paris. We got the pram, pushing the pram without the baby. Ang pambansang teta. That's where we're going, guys. Yoke nails and beauty. So guys, they are very busy. The place was packed, guys, so they asked us if we can go back in half an hour. So for now we're just gonna go for a walk. And yeah, Dada and Paris, they went for a walk that way, guys, and we came this way because yeah, we have to stay around the nail salon because 30 minutes is not very long. So yeah, mag-show my on-map outfit. That's Mimi's outfit of the day. Yeah, naka-spadrills ko siya, guys. Ay, hold maka. And it's my outfit. Yeah, there's all of it. That's the guys, but yeah. We'll go check this place first, guys. See what they've got. Aba na, umanikin na. Guwapa kayong mga kaya. Uy, mami kayo. Yung contour. Plakado mo. Guys, so guys, okay na punta, guys. Okay is life. Colorful na kasi sila, guys. So flower siya, guys. Kaya spring naman. Dito sa tip. Maybe dark. Oh, this is nice.
Do you have anything to do with CIA or sorry?
Did I show?
138
Beauty.
507.
Walang sandals na
Your email or I can put default to
No.
Form B-A-U-R-N.
B-A-U-R-N.
Creative. C-R-E-A-I.
So C-R-E-A.
Prom, guys. Prom. Hindi ka muna papasok. Hindi ko muna papasok sa school kasi.
And you with date of birth or I can put default to
14. Second.
Yes.
62.
Next beach. Ang cool naman. Hey guys, we're going back. Hi. Hello. Yeah. It's time to choose the colors now, guys. What are you getting?
This one.
A lot of options, guys. I'm so sick of pink because I've been having pink since forever.
Yeah, I like this one too. Or this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Alright, let's choose. I might go yellow, Mark. Okay.
Yellow.
Yeah, color tayo. Si madam guys, siya lang hindi ako banghod guys. Okay. Okay. Mine guys, they're still trying to remove the old business. We haven't even started. Have a look, guys. That looks so cool. Yes, honey. So guys, we're done with our nails. Show yours, book. My nails. Here's mine. Where's yours? Whoops. So we're gonna head to Altona Meadows now, guys, to go see Nan and Pa because it's Nan's birthday last week and we're going to celebrate it with him today. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Sorry it's too bright. But yeah, don't forget to be good, and if you get, be careful. Bye. Bye.
Bye.